Hey everyone! Yesterday we talked in math about the penny. Remember, we're talking about change right now in coins. Okay, so we said penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. And we said that we could write it either way. And I know you guys had a lot of practice of writing the cents sign. Okay, so take a look. Here is our penny. Okay, even on the back it says 1 cent. So you know exactly how much it is worth. See that? And we know that when we count pennies, they are just worth 1, so we just count 1 more each time. Okay. Today we are going to get started on a new coin. And the new coin that we are going to talk about is the nickel. It is the next smallest coin that we have. So we have another little riddle or poem for the nickel. Here is what a nickel looks like. Okay, it looks a little different on my coin than it does on this one. Okay, this one was made in 2005. Okay, and here's the back. The back looks the same. And take a look, on the nickel it says 5 cents. So what do you think the nickel is worth? It is worth 5 cents. Okay, let's read our little poem. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. Say it with me now. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. Here's the 2 different ways that you can write 5 cents. You can use a dollar sign, okay, $0 and 5 cents. Or you can just write 5 with the cent sign to show 5 cents. So let's take a look at the penny and the nickel. What are some differences you notice between the two? I'm sure many of you said color right away. Look at the size. What do you notice about the size? Let me stack them. Which one is smaller? The penny is a little bit smaller than the nickel. Okay, let's read our riddle one more time, or our little poem. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. Okay, so we know a nickel is worth 5 cents. So when we're counting nickels, we count by 5s, okay? So let's practice that. If I have 2 nickels, and it doesn't matter which way they're facing, if I have 2 nickels here, I would say 5, 10. How much cents do I have? I have 10 cents. What if I add 2 more nickels? Let's count them. 5, 10, 15, 20. How much cents do I have right now? I have 20 cents, okay, with that cent sign. That's when I'm counting with nickels. And remember, it's easy to know that on the back, it says 5 cents. What if I throw a penny in there? Can I count all of them by 5s? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Do I have 25 cents there? You're right if you said no way. Remember, a penny is only worth 1. So what I could do is line them all up. And I could go 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. How much cents do I have here? I have 21 cents. Okay. Let's take a look at our worksheet right now. So please take out your money packet. Before I get started on the nickel count. And remember, at the front of your packet is a little cheat sheet. It's not actually cheating because it just is supposed to help you. Okay? And it tells you exactly what each coin looks like and what it is worth. So if you need to go back, take a look at this sheet and it's going to help you. So right now we're going to get started on the nickel count. It says count the coins and write the amount on the line. Remember, we know nickels are worth 5 cents. One way that I like to count is I like to write the number underneath the coin as I'm counting so I don't lose track. So 5, 10. I know there's 10 cents there. Make sure you're following along and writing those numbers down with me. Let's continue on the next one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So how much cents is right there? We have 25 cents. Let's go on to the next one. 5, 10, 15. 15 cents. It's pretty simple when you have the same coin. So I'm going to stop writing the numbers underneath because it's a great way if you're struggling and forgetting what comes next when counting by fives. Okay, remember we add 5 each time when we count by fives. But if you think, yep, I'm really good at counting by fives, I don't need to write those numbers underneath so I don't skip one. I'm just going to count regular. So 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 cents. Notice how I say cents after each one, so then we know that it is talking about change. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 cents. Ooh, there's a lot in this one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 cents. And the last one, even more. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 cents. Okay? Thank you for counting along with me, boys and girls. Flip your packets over. We're going to do the back side real quick. It says count the coins to determine the amount of money in each box. Take a look. All of these are nickels, so I'm not going to write the number underneath each one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 cents. And look at the nickels are just flipped over, and if you forget, all you have to do is look at that front, okay? Look at that front page, and it's going to help you. 5, 10, 15, 20 cents. Remember also on the back of the coin, it tells you what each coin is worth. Wow, look at these. I'm going to put a little mark so I know that I counted it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 cents. Make sure you're counting along with me so you get used to counting by fives for these nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 cents. Wow, I'm really going to have to remember to use marks. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. Nice job, you guys. Turn the page. This is our last page that we're going to do together. It says draw a line to match the amount of money needed to buy each object. So let's count the change first. 5, 10, 15 cents. Remember a C with the line through for cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 cents. I could buy you some popcorn at the volleyball game. 5, 10 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 cents. Now I'm ready to draw my lines. So the cheese was worth 15 cents. The brush was worth 30 cents. And we have 50. The roller blade or roller skate was worth 50. The dog bone was worth 10. What was worth 20? The soup can was worth 20. 70. The first place medal was worth 70. And the last one, 35 cents, was the cake. Great job, boys and girls. Now take out your own packet. Okay, this you're going to do on your own. Feel free to send me pictures or save it for the end. Remember, you're counting by fives because 1 nickel equals 5 cents. You're going to do this page. Flip the packet over this page. And then a challenging one. I can't wait to see how you do. This page. Keep up the great work. Nice job, boys and girls.